Hi, yeah, we epically failed at making a video. I look really pale. I look so tan right now. Just kidding. You're a pretty sweet pill that I'm swallowing down.
All day, every day, while you're busy at work or taking care of your family.
Oh, it's really frustrating, I don't get it. Probably because it's from LimeWire. Yeah. Why don't you download it from iPhone? Because I don't have an iTunes card.
Live video from the scene from Sky 9.
In-depth updates on the biggest stories.
I don't know, let me check this out. Let me check this out.
Where are we? News 9's Your Evening News.
What are you doing?
On your schedule, only on Bright House Networks.
Should I lean back too? Oh, picnic table. Picnic table, but you're not plaid. Ew. Close those legs, gal. Close those legs, gal. Close those legs, gal. Dirty stuff. I'm not wearing makeup. Can I fool you by saying that? Your hair tickles my face.
But the sale is soon. So come in today and stock up and save. Publix, where shopping
You. It's too late. You.
Save on
Got
Pilot or the Odyssey.
a. Like, whoa,
Pretty good deal.
epic failure.
These offers are the only thing from Honda that won't
I gotta feel like it don't make sense.
Does that make sense? Because it's, or no, is it this?
Scooby, Alex. Scooby.
Scooby.
What about
What's your baby? Come here. Say hi to the camera.
Who demanded the legislature bring the Arizona immigration
Hi,
law
camera.
here? Rick Scott. Who said we do not need the
He looks like
Arizona
this,
law?
right?
Bill McCullough. Listen to
We're really pale. We're the Addams family.
They're creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together ooky.
Stop, you're missing my ear.
too liberal on immigration.
They tried so hard to do.
Time now to update you on a murder we told you about earlier this week. It's been almost 1 year since the shooting death of University of Tampa runner Ryan McCall. Now at the help of a local law firm, there is a $50,000 reward in the case. Florida fugitive Adam Longo has more on the crime and shooting.
A hot dog? No, those are the big, ugly hot dogs.
Are there any veggie dogs?
Kevin McCall is mourning his brother Ryan, a student and University of Tampa track team member.
Ryan was a great friend to hundreds he met throughout his life.
You want to see a scary dog? Oh, poor Jada! Jada, come here, Jada. He's blind and can't hear. He has eyes that go out to the side, and he looks like a horse from Family Guy. Have you ever seen that episode? And he snorts like a pig. He's like, all the time when he breathes. It's like that's how he breathes. Oh, this has already been 3 minutes. You should say goodbye. Goodbye.
See all the investigation goes with the Tampa police, and hopefully